video featuring Komakech Christopher, the Member of Parliament for Aru County in Pada District, has recently surfaced online.
2014.
In the footage, the MP claims to be the first individual to introduce fireworks to Pada and further states that he has constructed a pub in the area. The presenter, however, responds with visible amusement and a hint of disdain, his expression reflecting a sense of pity for the people of Pada.
Can you imagine Pade? 2014, they had never seen fireworks.
What?
Fireworks, the one you shoot here in Pade. I'm the first person who shoots fireworks in Pade.
Why did you do that? Did you like?
I organized the tournament for the young boys. I went and they were watching Manchester Arsenal, and the screen they were using was a 14-inch screen, and people are saying, "I'm like, what? This can't be happening in my district." So I own the district. This is my home, and the change starts with us. But the change starts with you.
So did you buy screens and projectors and all that?
I did. I opened up a pub. It was called Survivors. We named it.
A number of people were left in shock, unable to comprehend what had just occurred. Many voiced their disbelief, claiming that he was not a genuine leader. Some were so disheartened that they wept, calling upon Odonga Otto to intervene and save the people of Peda from this disgrace. One individual, clearly overwhelmed with frustration, expressed their anguish in the Luo language.
Now konkawa penguia. And in the end, Komakech keje. I want to win a merene Komakech puanyanka an. Edakale in the MP Komakech. Te Komakech umiara wecheti ni a ini beru dharma pe don igang makwiri te ye. Pone dan ini dharma unyo tutu ale bene po umiara wachi don igang makwiri pe ye. Ini don igang mabe funti ye eto ini beru chalo guana ukaru chuan makifunyi pe winyu fony katiana da enani gena in romo kate kalokore ni pade iyapogi a hole ichere no down take a watching football on a 14-inch screen. Look at any Pange con iti bokaneki lutian mateno, nyo iti bokaneki Pange con yang na ketika maku video ni. Ba loko mo pe kitung barawai ni loko mo pe ekani pera na tie ki joaru poe dan chang ini Omer ki nyute ti ni waro kien makilo ni digini ti kongkaka pera tak. Chiko no joaru winyo loke ma it gitie wangi nano disrespect and ma ini nyute gio way TV national TV ma ke magane no mer gen go nyute ni they do deserve respect. Chika no iti la chung joaru nyo jopade umer go ya wangi kumi any char madir mada ma ini portraying ma panas mana me no tia chele kan ene pe me dwako ini parliament chutu bat pange mirpa jopade krati kere pone onen smartphone ane na down berken peke berken me berkan no chelia kumkane dong. That is the best way of sending communication. Lower radio, social media, whether being Facebook, whether being Twitter, on your X, on your Messenger, on your kid Gimara can sending more information. Dakdan Mapol, they will react to what you have said more better than even radio FM. So, Mero Dano go beri gunen Jami magiloko. Paano ni yin pe iti loko siya iti wa ene o kono ngongo. Ade lewi jopa de. Kemario idua ko ruam pa Acholi because kirwe ot padana ke kan en ot angate moni. No olu twal down teke screen. Mera wachi size 32. Kung screen ti do hata 55, 65. Mungkin nama begitu lagi 75 kapa luar gopa. Jadi mau miar becer cilok ya. Kira miar bume. Bene pergi mau miar ni cata wacane. Television. Nyukanya mana mana itu lok ya ni. Lihat ye, kira wa ino miringi ni lihat ye yang muka raya ni. Ini dah achievement ma iwa itim ma bay ma dah kijo pade. Ya pergi kanamu. Ada pe ye nyu you are ngom creating it giti. Kanama ya pergi. Hindi kit katukwi mo madal nung ti akar na gang kacahan nung katukwi nung kaya nung wewa gwal poke ba kanya pa